Hello, this Loan Plus 3 loan management software training is a brief overview of how to pay expenses. You would actually pay expenses like for window washer or for electricity or for some other type of expense. You want to make sure that your bank matches the software. So you click on accounting, then closing. And normally everybody has to be logged out if you're doing a closing. So are all other users logged out of the program? You would say yes, make sure they are if you're doing a closing. But this is just to show how to pay expenses in LP3. You have three options. The first would be check. So if you're going to write a check, enter the check number, who you're going to pay, the amount, and the expense category. Banking services, collections, computer, fees, things of that nature. This is all set up prior. So then you would choose the expense category amount, and the expense amount would fill in. You'd say okay. That would be to print out a check. Next, you have voucher, which would be cash out of the cash drawer. You're going to buy lunch for the staff. You need to pay for some random amount, which you would then add the category and then the total amount. And this would be cash out of the drawer. You then have cash in. So say you went and got office supplies and you had some cash left over, or you took office supplies back and you got a refund. Here you would put the amount, what category that it belongs to, office supplies, things of that nature, and you'd say okay. This is also the section that you would take cash in from, say, the corporate office, their bank, into your bank. This would be the amount. And then for ICS, DCS is for taking cash in from corporate office. And you would say okay. And then each of these pay expenses will be shown for the day, the business day, here in the closing screen. Once you're finished, then you would go ahead and exit out of all the screens. Do make sure that at the end of the day, when you're closing, everybody is exited out. More detail about this process on how to pay expenses and more detailed examples and information is in the documentation. Thank you very much.